Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Daily English Podcast. Many people watch movies every day, but only a few people know how to use movies to learn English fast. Today, I want to show you a simple method, a smart method, that can help you improve your listening, speaking, vocabulary, and confidence just by watching movies in a better way. I'll also give you 5 easy tips you can start using today. Let's begin.
Why movies are powerful teachers. Movies are not just entertainment. Movies can actually become amazing English teachers. Why? Because movies show you real conversations, real emotions, real problems, real reactions, and real everyday English. When you watch a movie, you hear English the way people actually speak it. You hear the rhythm, the tone, the speed, the emotions, things you cannot always learn from a textbook. Books are great, yes, but books are sometimes too perfect, too clean, too slow. Movies feel alive. Movies feel natural. Movies help your ear grow stronger. Movies make learning easier. Here's something interesting. When you feel emotion, your brain remembers better. Think about it. Maybe you still remember a movie line from years ago. Why? Because the scene made you laugh or cry or feel surprised. Your brain remembers feelings. So when you learn English through movies, you learn naturally, without stress. Movies teach you more than language. Language is not only vocabulary or grammar. Language is also culture. Movies show you how people greet each other, how they talk to friends or parents, how they apologize, how they show anger, love, or surprise, how they disagree politely, how they react in real-life situations. This is real English. This is the English people use every day. And watching movies helps you understand this naturally. Movies improve your listening skills. In movies, you hear fast speech, connected speech, different accents, natural rhythm, real-life expressions. At the beginning, it may feel difficult. You may miss many words, but that is okay. With time, your listening becomes stronger. And when your listening improves, your speaking improves too, because your brain learns the music of English. Movies help you learn vocabulary without memorizing. You don't need long vocabulary lists. You don't need to memorize page after page. When you watch movies, you hear a word, you see what is happening, you understand the meaning. Your brain remembers it automatically.
Many learners make a big mistake. They choose a movie that is too difficult. Maybe the characters talk too fast. Maybe the story is complicated. Maybe there are strong accents. Maybe the vocabulary is advanced. Then what happens? You feel tired. You feel lost. You stop learning. So here is the secret. Choose something simple. Choose something fun. Choose something you enjoy. Animation is excellent. The English is usually clear. Family movies and simple comedies are also very good. And here's another tip. Choose a movie you already know. If you watched it before in your own language, your brain already knows the story. This makes the English much easier to understand. Why TV series are even better. TV series can be better than movies. Why? Because you see the same characters again and again. You hear the same voices, the same speaking style, the same attitude, the same humor. This repetition helps your brain understand faster. You become comfortable with the characters and your listening improves naturally. Should you use subtitles? Many learners ask me, Alex, should I use subtitles or not? Here's the simple answer. Use English subtitles, not subtitles in your native language. Why? Because English subtitles help your brain connect sound plus text. You learn spelling, pronunciation, and meaning together. You keep listening to English instead of reading your own language. If you use subtitles in your language, your brain becomes lazy. It stops listening. So English subtitles are the best. At the beginning, use them all the time. It's okay. Later, step by step, you can try reading less. And when you feel confident, try watching 1 or 2 minutes without subtitles. Just a short part, not the whole movie. There is a method I love. It's called scene repetition. Here's how it works. Choose a short scene, 30 seconds, 1 minute, or 2 minutes. Watch it normally. Watch it again with English subtitles. Then repeat some of the sentences out loud. This is shadowing. Copy the actor's tone, rhythm, and feeling. Repeat the scene again the next day. Every time you watch it, the English becomes clearer, easier, and more natural. Scene repetition is one of the strongest tools for improving listening and speaking. 5 simple tips you can use today. Tip 1. Watch the first time for the story. Don't stop too much. Just enjoy the movie. When you understand the story, your brain relaxes. Tip 2. Watch again for the language. Now you can pay attention. How do characters say hello? How do they ask questions? How do they show emotion? Tip 3. Repeat short sentences. Pause the video. Repeat the line. Feel the rhythm. Let your mouth practice real English. Tip 4. Keep a small notebook. Write down short, simple expressions like, "Are you serious?" "That's great." "I'm not sure." "Talk soon." Use them during your week. Tip 5. Watch short clips when you're busy. You don't need 2 hours every day. Even 3 minutes can help you practice. Small steps every day are more powerful than one big step to avoid. Trying to understand every single word. Even native speakers don't understand every word in every movie. Understanding 70 to 80% is great. Choosing movies that are too difficult. Simple is better. Simple helps you learn more, not less. Watching passively. Don't just sit and watch. Repeat. Write. Shadow. Notice new expressions. Active learning makes a huge difference. My friends, learning English through movies is not only about language. It's also about enjoyment. When you enjoy the story, when you connect with the characters, when you feel relaxed, your learning becomes faster and deeper. Don't worry if your English is not perfect. Don't worry if you miss words. Don't worry if you need subtitles. Everyone starts somewhere. What matters most is that you keep going. Watch a little every day. Listen more. Repeat sometimes. Enjoy the process. Your listening will improve. Your speaking will grow. And you will feel more confident. Thank you so much for listening to Daily English Podcast. I'm Alex, and I'll see you in the next episode. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.